Murtaza, good exercise. Well done. Keep doing it. Excellent. You're not bending your back a little bit. Try to stretch your chest next to the bench like this. This is nice. All right, Mustafa, show me a good swing. Again, you're straightening your knees. Knees bend rakhne. Just try to keep your knees bent. Yeah, that's better. So you can rotate your hips. Let's go. Hit it with the tee, then hit it without a tee. One with the tee, one without a tee. Let him hit few. Don't rush him. Don't rush him. Let him hit few. You got your knee straight again. Keep your knee bent. Hit another one. Hit another one. Yeah, just maintain.
जैसे जो ड्राइवर स्टिक का बीच है ना वहाँ से जैसे ड्राइवर का यहाँ से मारने और बॉल का
Don't call it stick, call it club. No, I next time we will not take him. We don't want any caddy who is coaching you. Their job is not to coach you. When I'm there, they're not supposed to coach you. Bend your knees, still straightening your knees. Okay, Murtaza, show me the iron shot. I want to see a good iron shot from you first. Iron shot. You already hit a good hybrid. Let's see the arm straight. Yeah, nice. Now your swing's doing much better. Good, well done. 7 iron. It's not small. It's properly according to your size. Okay, Murtaza, concentrate. Very nice, beautiful. You're really showing good improvement today. No, you're supposed to brush the grass with the iron. Yeah. You have to hit the grass. Look at in the grass area how many people hit the divots. They are all hitting the grass actually. If you hit the grass, you'll hit it better. Hitting grass is must with the iron. Okay. Yeah, you got a good one. The last one was really good. This time you didn't rotate your hips. Left hip is supposed to rotate. Once you don't rotate your left hip, your left arm is getting straight. सीधा हो जाएगा आपका बाजू. Try to keep your left arm straight. Let him hit few, then you can hit. One more. Keep hitting. Keep hitting. That's better. Okay, now get your driver. You can still use it. The bag is there, people are not. They are chipping over there. Chalo Mustafa. Say Lala. Lala, say Lala. Zor se. Come on, I want to hear it.
Lala. Lala नहीं बोलता, अल्ले बोलता है.
अल्ले नहीं, लाला बोल रहा है आपको. Lala, give him a chance. Mustafa, tell Lala to give you a chance. Arm straight. The tee is very low. उमर भाई एक बड़ी टी मिल जाएगी. मारे हैं जब तक आप इससे या हाइब्रिड से मार लें. जब तक मार लेगा, ठहर जाए. Your turn will come. You will do fair chance. No problem. आपको मौका मिलेगा. Don't worry about it. You will hit it. मार ले कोई बात. चलो टी आ गई. टी आ गई. Okay, now you got a perfect tee. Thank you, Marwai. No, he'll use his driver. Sometimes you also use his driver. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. क्या हो गया? कुछ नहीं होता.
यहाँ मैं अपनी टी
Okay, Murtaza. Please keep your left arm straight and rotate full forward. It was good swing, but slightly over backswing था. There was little bit over backswing.
सर मुझे ये सब जब मैं शॉट मारता हूँ तो मैं जब बॉल से कांटेक्ट करती हूँ तो थोड़ा राइट लेफ्ट नहीं जाएगा
No, no, you have to get your club to the left side of the target. Club should go left. Yeah, club supposed to go left. Your hip supposed to go left.
फिर बॉल भी लेफ्ट आएगा
No, ball will go straight then. That's the difference. Good swing. Okay, Mustafa, your turn. Give him the driver. Let him hit the his driver. Chale. He's very eager to hit his driver now. Let's see.
सर ये अगर साइजिंग इतना तो ये ड्राइवर से टी ऊंचा है
It's okay. High tee is better than low tee. At least you're able to slide your club under, no?
मेरा टी इतना ही होना चाहिए
Chale, Mustafa. Yeah, looks good. It's okay. Let's do the swing. Let's go with the swing. Full turn.
अरे,
You're straightening your knee,
ये अभी
Mustafa.
बाबा को-
Your head's moving. Keep your head still. Keep your head still as possible. You're just lifting your knees up. Keep your knees down. Keep them bent little bit.
यहाँ पर पाउंड भी रखती हूँ।
Huh. Ball in inside the left heel. That's good. Your setup is excellent. Keep your left arm straight, please, and swing through. That's much better. Much better, much better. Keep working on it. Keep hitting. Keep hitting. You'll do well. Keep your knees static, arms straight, going through. Come on, keep fighting, keep fighting. Left arm straight, both knees bent. And 1, 2, 3, swing.
मुझे बता देगा
Keep working, keep working. Stick to your swing basics. Stick to your swing basics. Widen your stance a little bit. Wide current flow. So that's good. Arms straight. Keep your head still. Swing it through. 1, 2, 3, go. Now you got up again. Yeah, pick up that ball and you can hit it again. Yeah, you can do practice. Sure, do your dry swings. Keep the arm straight. Hit through. Hit the tee. There you go. Now, how about swinging with the ball like this? Same swing speed with the ball. Come on. Let's make that swing active, just the way you done it without a ball. Yeah, that was much better. Much better. Come on, don't lift your head up into the sky. Do one practice swing, hit the shot. Let's keep the arm straight and swing through. 1, 2, 3, going for it. Yeah, that's decent. You're getting better. Keep working. You're getting better. Keep working on the swing. Yes. Try to keep your arm straight and your left eye should be watching the ball. At the back of the ball. ठीक है? Look at the back of the ball. Keep the arm straight. 1, 2, 3. And let's not stop. Hit through impact. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, going. Let's go for the swing. Here you go. Much better golf swing. Well done. Much better golf swing. Great. Come on, Mustafa, you got a chance. You got a chance to hit many balls because Lala is not here. Lala is there. Before Lala come, keep hitting. Arm bent, that's why you hit the ground. Here is Lala coming. Watch out.
My God, are you trying?
Okay,
to
one more. One more, Mustafa, then Lala will hit. One more.
Hit this one with the hybrid.
Last shot, Mustafa, then you will take break and Murtaza will start hitting. Let's go.